Good afternoon, folks. This is Greg from Vandominium Living. Numerous people have asked to see a video of the inside of my van, so I'm going to try and provide that for you today. Hope you enjoy. First, an overview. I tried to compartmentalize the different areas. For instance, I made a bedroom, a kitchen, shower, and my dressing area, which is this little small cubic area right in here, along with the chair. All right, this is the quote garage and bedroom area. I have a Honda generator, 2 solar panels, a telescoping ladder, a table, and a chair that all fit in there. That's storage up back underneath. It goes about 4 feet back. Just little cubbies wherever I can put them. Got my charge controller, got my inverter, and the batteries that go back into there. I've got 3 AGM batteries with 125 amp hours each for a total of 375 amp hours. This is the bedroom area. Max air fan, cabinets that I put in with sliding doors. Remote for the max air fan. Very comfortable bed. It's got padding underneath. It's got a kind of a foam topper. Have a TV, and then I have a little. This is the switch. This white switch is for the inverter remote turn on, and then I have a battery monitor to kind of so I can pay attention to the voltage of the battery throughout the day and at night. I recessed these walls in order to gain 1.5 inches on either side for about a total of 6'3" of clearance so that I could sleep sideways. This is the kitchen area. Just a Formica countertop that I cut out the opening for the sink. Took a little small bar sink, used that. And what I do is this little faucet has an electric switch on it that's hooked to a pump underneath. And it's hooked up underneath there. There's the pump over to the side there. Anyway, you turn it on just like that. These little holders, I'm still not sold on them. They sag a little bit, they swing around, they're not perfect, so I'm working on another solution for those, but we'll see what happens. The shower is the next thing we're going to look at. I built this compartment, and then I added some plastic to protect the wood walls, and then I put plastic sheeting over the plastic because of the seams, such as here. And anyway, just a simple tub. I drilled a hole in the tub, and I placed some plumbing underneath to run it out and through a hose that runs out onto the ground, but I don't let it go out onto the ground. I let it go into a little, this I fill up with water, put it on a burner, start heating the water, and then this is a bucket in a bucket. This is about 2/3 full. I fill the other third with tea kettle water, and once that's done, I stir it around. Makes the temperature about the same each time. I come over here, I flip this switch. So then, now that everything's set up, pump is on, I hit the button. Take my shower. This is the refrigerator. It's run off of either electric or 12 volt. Right now I'm running it off of 12 volt. Works really good. Alright, this is the cabin when I have the sunscreens up that block out the sun, and these were laser cut to fit the Ram Promaster, and they do a really good job of blocking out pretty much all of the light, and it creates a kind of an area if you need a little bit of spillover, anyway, provides for a nice little area. I have made several improvements from the original van. I started with a 200 watts of solar panels, two 100 watt solar panels on the roof, and I have now switched that to a 305 watt solar panel to increase the output, and that's been working really well. I also have improved, like I moved this chair now and I put a table in here. It flips up and gives me a little bit more counter space for when I'm cooking, and that has really turned out to be a good thing. The microwave only gets used when I have my generator on. Try and take advantage of as many places as I can for storage. These are blackout curtains that cover up all this when I'm in the unit for the night. Got a little plastic bin that's stackable, that worked out better than anything I could probably build, just because of its lightweight. Put in the Max Air fan for both here and in the bedroom, and then install these lights, wired lights for 12 volt wiring, and then also ran Romex wiring throughout to supply some plugs. But this is the living room.